So you want to go to the Chrome Web Store and type in GIPHY. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've installed it, you'll find this extension located at the top right-hand corner. Here, I'm on Google Slides. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. There you go. So there's GIFs and there's stickers. So let's say I want to say hello. I just drag it over here. Let's say I want something a little bit more specific, then I can type in rainbow. I could do copy link, or I could just drag it over here. And I want to do read. Drag. You could adjust the size. You could also delete the text in the front by pressing the delete button. And press the delete button. There you have it. Super easy and super fun.